Today we are going to be making, welcome back to Cookie Bear's Corner. Today we are going to be making a play on a Rice Krispie treat. You are going to need 5.5 cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of butter, that's pretty much the whole bag, give or take. All right. 3.5 tablespoons of butter or margarine, whichever you prefer. Doesn't have to be softened because we're going to be throwing it on the stove. Put that in your pot. We're going to bring this over to the stove here. We're going to turn it on a medium heat and let them start to melt down. While that is going on, we are going to get our cereal mixture ready. Gonna need another bowl. You're gonna need 6 cups of, I'm using Rice Chex. By all means, use whatever cereal you prefer. There we go. 6 cups. Whew. And as I said, this is a play on a Rice Krispie treat. So you are also going to need 1 cup of your favorite peanut butter. Absolutely love opening a brand new jar of peanut butter. Alright. And a scraper. Give these marshmallows a quick stir so they don't burn. Turn our fire down just a little bit. My husband and my kids absolutely love Rice Krispie treats. And our local grocery store had Chex on sale this week. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a play on a Rice Krispie treat using Chex cereal. My auntie used to do this all the time when we were kids. Anytime she had like just little bits left in the bottom of the bag of cereal, she'd mix them all together and make them into cereal treats. We loved it. All right. And it's coming together nicely. I'm going to get a piece of parchment paper to line my pan with so that it makes it a little easier to take them out once they cool and set up. All right. Marshmallows almost mixed thoroughly, melted down nicely. We are going to take it off the heat and then bring it over. Set it. Keep that there for a minute. We got it off the heat. Now we are going to add our peanut butter. Okay. And then we are going to stir that in so it can combine in with the marshmallow nicely. All right. And we're going to take our Chex cereal. We're going to throw that in there. And you kind of have to do this quickly before your marshmallows stiffen up. Probably not the brightest idea to use a spoon for this, but we're getting there. And once you've got them all combined together like this, scrape your spoon off. And in that parchment lined pan, dump this mixture parchment paper keeps trying to get away. There we go. All right. Guess I'm gonna need my spoon after all. Right at the bottom. It's making a mess. All right. And then all you're going to do I forgot how sticky these things actually are. All you're going to want to do is press it down into your pan. As evenly as you can. Alright. If y'all can see this is what they're looking like. We're going to pop this into our fridge. We can fold this over the top. Pop that into the fridge and let them cool completely. And then I'll show you what I do next. We'll see you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Alright guys, welcome back. This is what our mock Rice Krispie treats look like. And all I'm going to do now is I've got some mini chocolate chips. I'm going to add to a bowl. Not a ton, maybe a quarter of a cup. And I've got some butterscotch chips. I'm just going to add a few of those. I'm going to put this in the microwave. Melt it down. We're not big for sprinkles in our house. But I found these sprinkles at the Walmart yesterday. So we're going to use some of those for the top of this. Ooh, they smell like peanut butter. Okay. Nice and melted down. Smells so good. And then all I'm going to do is take and kind of just drizzle it on the top. Just like that. You can smooth it out if you want. Then we're going to take some of these peanut butter sprinkles. We're just going to sprinkle the top of them. We're going to let them sit for another half hour, 45 minutes, just to firm the rest of the way up. And when I get ready to cut into them, I'll show you what they look like. Talk to you in a little bit. Bye-bye. All right, everybody. These cereal bars have come together quite nicely. That is what they look like. We're going to get us a knife. We're going to cut them up, and we'll show you what they look like. Oh, as soon as I find a knife. That won't work. All right. Probably should not have put them on the tray. Put them over here. That is what they look like. If you enjoyed this video, hit that there subscribe button. Give me a couple of thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.